Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FNMA. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Done this one about 10 million times before, but it's been a while since the last time I did it, so I just want to get things updated. Video should be pretty short because there's not really too much to update from the last time, but nonetheless, just still want to keep things relatively fresh in terms of chart updates. So first, just want to point out kind of a basic little pattern we have, and you could draw it a couple different ways. You could draw it like that, or come down from here. But you can see they're both basically the same thing, and depending on your strategy or whatever, that would dictate what sort of line you want to draw. I want to focus just more on the shorter term, so I'm just going to use this trend line right here, and this is the current resistance trend line on the chart. And then right above there you can see the 50-day simple moving average, which is also acting as resistance. That's valued at $1.79. In terms of the bottom portion, we basically have kind of a sideways wedge that's being formed, and you can see here basically 3 times the price has been down right around this area. We'll call the bottom of this wedge down there at $1.36. And really that's the big key right now in the short term. As long as the $1.36 can hold, then the chart's got a nice chance of breaking back to the upwards. If not, then really there's not any other supports until down here at the bottom, which is basically $1. So that $1.36 range remains important. And I can't remember, like I said, when the last time I did the video was, but there's been multiple times now where this has been tested and held. So that's a great sign of strength from the bulls that this $1.36 really seems to be providing some good support. But on the flip side, if it doesn't hold, then that's I don't want to say a huge red flag, but that would be the red flag in the sense of why isn't history repeating itself again like it's been doing 3 times so far in the past basically couple weeks. In terms of resistances and breakouts, pretty straightforward. With a break of this trend line, no other major resistances until up here above $2. You can see, first let me change this to red, but there's been multiple times where the price has bounced up off around this area. You can see here, I'm not going to count them, but a bunch of days right there. Then another day got rejected there, so we'll call that up at 203. So break this $1.80 or this trend line, whatever you want to call it, this kind of clump of resistances here. I would not be shocked at all to see the price go up there and retest at least $2. And if it can break through there, then I'll be back to update at that point. But in the micro picture of things right now, this is where the chart currently stands. So we'll see what happens over the coming week, and I'm sure I'll be back to update it at some point. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to sign up for our free newsletter up there. When you do that, you'll receive an ebook. And if you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and how to use it in your strategy as a trader, I'd encourage you to click below and look at our educational course. Over 8.5 hours of video and teaching. It's been getting great third-party reviews. So I'd encourage you to make an investment into your education and check it out. One more time, this is FNMA. Thanks for listening.